Dyson threw away the first one. 2 more chances to go big here at the Bolton Fair. He makes his approach in second gear. Sends itself out. Nice double grab, Superman. Two down, 1 to go for Tim Dyson. He threw the first one away. He knows he's going to go even bigger to come up on top of those KODs. Dyson throws up the backflip. The veteran driver gets it done right here. 3 chances to get it done. He threw away the first one. He came up big on the third and final pass. Bolton Fair fans, now it's time to help us out. If you hear your favorite rider out here, if he did the best, you cheer for him. Let's hear it for Jad Knox. Trevor Cartmill. Tim Dyson.